Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to activate the dark or night mode theme inside your VS Code IDE. So just go to extensions and just type just black. This is the name of the theme which actually activates the night mode clearly. So if you just see this, it almost got 122,000 installs. So simply click on the install button. It comes with this nice little theme here. So once you activate this option will come. This is a theme just black. So if you activate this theme, you will see these nice little syntax highlighting. And if you open any file here, so you can see it's a very good theme here with good syntax highlighting. It clearly highlights all the source code inside VS Code. You'll see for each. This is a TypeScript file here, so you can see it is highlighting each and every word. And if you highlight any code here, it also adds this nice little background effect as well. So all in all, it basically activates the dark and light mode inside your VS Code. You can see the clearly the code is visible inside the dark kind of a theme here. It has only one theme right here, but it is more than enough. I think it's simply dark mode. So you can see the highlighting is perfect for a night project inside VS Code. You can see you can navigate to any file here and you can just see here it really clearly shows highlights all the text. You can clearly see. So this is the theme here, just black. Go to extensions. This is just black. Dark theme with syntax highlighters. Simply activate this theme. It's very simple. After you activate this, simply, and if you now need to deactivate this, simply disable this and you will, it's very easy to toggle this theme. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.